the super duper feature update. It's super duper
Content to specific bases. Super is a delivery vehicle that helps deliver awesome directly to where your clients live. And often a request would come in is, I want to create different bases to put content in a specific way because I have a certain experience I want people to feel. We heard you. I'm going to head it over to Steve to show you how it works.
Super Steve here, coming in with a honestly pretty exciting update for all the super partners out there. We've had a lot of requests for this over time, and we're finally releasing it. It's going to be probably change how you do your content package delivery. So in the past, whenever you install a package, wherever you're installing it to is where the content will end up. So let's say you have 3 different bases that are all going into one package, and you install that package, it'll all go into the same base. It'll all be merged together. Now, that might be fine for a lot of packages you're doing, but you might want to have more control where you say, okay, I have 3 bases going in, and I actually want to have 3 bases coming out the other side, and you don't want to have to worry about setting those up or anything. You just want them to work. So going forward, you'll be able to, whenever you're creating your package and you select bases, you'll be able to pick the destination base. And so this is where the content is going to be installed into. So you have the choice of either the installed base, which is the current default, that's the same base that you're installing into, the source base, which will be a base that has the same name as your source where it's coming from. So if I brought in the sales base on the other side, it'll be called sales. And then you can have custom named bases. So this will be custom named base. And let's go ahead and save this. Let's go ahead and install this package. So, publish this. So whenever I install this package now, it'll install some of the cards were going into this base, and then some of them are going into a base called custom. Let me reload the page here just because it just created it. So it actually created this base for me, put the cards in there, and then there would be another base that came in with the same name, which in this case actually wouldn't do anything because I'm in the same instance. So let's go ahead and uninstall that package. So this will clean up. It's going to leave the base that it created existing. It's going to clean up all the other bases that it came along with it. I think totally change how you'll structure content going into your client Super accounts. Having multiple bases is obviously a pretty good practice, so you can split things up. And now you'll be able to do it all from one package. It'll always work the way you want it to. You don't have to think about it when you're installing. Just when you build it the way you want. So this will be a great addition. As always, stay awesome, stay super.